is Monday, August 10th, 2020. I'm Lisa Otto with the Geneva Shore Report. And we are here in Lake Geneva. Oh, as you can see, the rain is still coming down. We have a lot of heavy rain expected for some time now, but for now, the eye of the storm has passed over Lake Geneva. The tornado sirens, well, they are off now. They were on for quite a while. There was a lot of...
We're driving through like 2 or 3 inches of water right here.
Yeah, it is deep here. A lot of flash flooding going on. Let me see if I can open my window and share with you. Water really is. This is going on all over Lake Geneva. A lot of flash flooding along the roadways. Some roads are actually closed. I know there are some in the Elkhorn area, and part of Highway H going into Elkhorn has been closed for now as well. But it got really dark, really fast, really windy, and the rain just came down. So we had wind going in all different directions, like I said, and tornadoes were spotted. So of course everyone was urged to take cover, you know, away from windows, interior rooms, lower levels of the house. Oh, that water. Officer over there. Oh, and look at this. This entire area. The curb is very hard. Horticulture Hall is, what is that, Wisconsin Street and Broad Street. We're on Broad Street right now, and the water level in front of Horticulture Hall is insane. I have never seen it this deep. And yeah, we have and the power's out downtown. I mean, not surprising. We had frontal clouds spotted over Lake Geneva. Not sure if anything major happened, but we're going to find out. We're going to drive down this area. And my phone is extremely wet, so I'm going to try to wipe this off for everyone. Sorry. But we have first responders out. Yep, the whole downtown area looks like power is out. And oh yes, no stoplights at all. Oh, and we have officers down this way on Center Street. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this video and turn on my live camera, and I hope that I have enough of a connection to keep it going for you. Oh, and here's the White River in the Samuel Donan area, and you can see it is extremely high water levels as well as here. Flash flooding all around Lake Geneva, and a lot of cleanup. I'm Lisa Otto with the Geneva Shore Report. You can see that the police have Center Street blocked off, going north on Center Street. You can't get through anywhere that way. Portable internet connection anywhere right now. We have Broken Branch here. Things just blowing around quite a bit. Oh, you can see this girl walking through the intersection, how deep the water levels are. And of course there's an officer there. We have the horrible intersection and water levels here in front of Horticulture Hall on Broad Street and Wisconsin Street. And we have much more rain coming as the night continues. Hopefully, that was the worst of the winds. But things are looking pretty calm right now, as long as they stay this way. All right, everyone be safe out there and stay home if you can. I'm Lisa Otto with the Geneva Shore Report.